Creativity is a messy business. It's a learn as you go, make a mess along the way, fail, and try again sort of process. God is the lead artist in this huge creative project we call life. God is aiming to make all things new, to make all things beautiful and true, to heal, to restore, to forgive, to reconcile, to strengthen and empower. Jesus opens the doors wide and invites us into this massive creative project. The Christian life is a creative life. It takes courage, it takes imagination, it takes a willingness to fail and try again, and it takes community. Human life is messy. We're all in this together. Let's create something beautiful and true and holy.